Hi guys! I accidentally tapped the video, so this is a combined version. So, if you see, we got Spady. It's stupid. Then we got one of these hand wacky things. These are super sticky. I had 6 or everything. And why do I keep them in this, like, heart container, you may ask? So they don't get ruined and not sticky anymore and all filthy. And what do you mean by heart thing? I don't think it's a heart container keychain thing you can put them in. It can be a keychain, but I wouldn't allow it because it breaks open easily. Next, we got a finger skating board. Gotta roll, gotta roll. Gotta roll, gotta roll. So this is the skating board for your fingers. Totally amazing. So we got another Poppet. Probably didn't hear that. I don't know. We have another Dinosaur Poppet. This one's an off-brand version. But it still works perfect and it's good full check. Then we have a mini Poppet. Dinosaur. So tiny, I love it. And we got a Pea Popper. For some reason, this one's really hard to pop. On one of these things, so if you have these, but you don't know what they are fidgets. You put them on your finger, just roll them up and down. It's nice. Got another one. And I got a marble mesh in different colors. Yes, I have way more marble mesh. That's the done with that bin. This stuff in the rest of that bin are not fidgets. Ugh. So we have Chocolate Man, Woman, I don't know. Squish, 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 squish. Stupid. And then we got a donut squishy. It's like Pac-Man because donut. I wonder where one of my walls went. Now we have the more easier squishy versions of the football and basketball, if you don't remember from the last video. Then we got a bunch more. We have this chip thing. Ready? It can't fall over. Ready? Let me get out of the way. See this. It can't be upside down. Why? Okay, we have a milk squishy. It's ripped as well. All my squishies are ripped. Now we have one of these infinity cubes, I think. We have another basketball squishy. An actual thingy that works. We saw from the last video. Okay, we got yeah, another one of these things. It's just like an off-brand, I think, because it has a string. I don't know if it's brand or not. I think it is, though. And we have more of these ring things. Alright, and we got another slinky that works. Kind of break it. We have more of these things. I don't like them. But they're fun. We got this is the weirdest looking fidget spinner I've ever seen. It's Patrick. So, you know what these things are, right? These? Yeah, you should. I don't remember. I have one of those Pea Popper things. Brand new, right out of the bunch. We have one of these. We have like these magnet ball things. Okay. If you're a young one and you get these, do not put them in your mouth. Please. I don't want any of my fans dying. Okay. Then we have another one of these ring things. That's the end of that container. Come back for part 3. Bye.